Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important but often overlooked: insurance. Think of it like this. Life is unpredictable. It's like that friend who shows up unannounced, eats all your food, and leaves a huge mess. Yikes! Insurance? That's your backup plan, your safety net for when those curveballs come your way. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about car insurance. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, fantasizing about teleporting. But here's the thing, even if you consider yourself the reincarnation of Mario Andretti, accidents happen. And when they do, car insurance is your best friend. For starters, it's not just a suggestion, it's the law. More importantly, car insurance covers you if you're in an accident. It's like having a financial guardian angel, making sure you don't get financially obliterated because someone decided to text and drive. Next up, we're talking about homeowners insurance. Whether you're renting a tiny studio apartment or you're the proud owner of a suburban palace, this type of insurance is crucial for protecting your humble abode. Imagine this, you're finally relaxing after a long day, sipping on your favorite beverage, when suddenly, disaster strikes. A fire, a burst pipe, a rogue squirrel breaking in, and staging a hostile takeover. Point is, unexpected events happen and they can be costly. Homeowners insurance covers your home and belongings against damage or theft. Now you might be thinking, hold on Steve, I'm just renting. My landlord's insurance will cover me, right? Well, not so fast. Your landlord's insurance policy typically covers the structure of the building itself, but not your personal belongings. That's where renter's insurance swoops in to save the day like a trusty sidekick. Renter's insurance protects all of that from theft, fire, vandalism, and a whole host of other unfortunate events. Let's talk about umbrella insurance. Don't worry, it has nothing to do with the weather, though it can feel like a lifesaver during a storm. Imagine this, you're at a park, flying a kite with your kid when suddenly disaster strikes. The kite takes a nosedive, tangling itself around an unsuspecting jogger who trips and sprains their ankle. You could be held liable for their medical bills, lost wages, and even pain and suffering. And if those costs exceed your primary insurance limits, you're on the hook for the rest. That's where umbrella insurance comes in, providing additional liability coverage on top of your existing policies. Life insurance. It's not the most cheerful topic, but it's an important one. Look, none of us like to dwell on the inevitable, but the reality is, our time on this planet is finite. And while we can't predict the future, we can certainly prepare for it. Life insurance is essentially a love letter to the people you care about most. It provides a financial safety net for your loved ones in the event of your untimely departure. By having life insurance, you're ensuring that your family can focus on what truly matters, healing and moving forward without the added stress of financial strain. Let's be real, nobody wakes up in the morning hoping to catch a cold or break a bone. But here's the thing about health, it's unpredictable. One minute you're crushing it at the gym, the next you're sidelined with a sprained ankle because you tripped over your cat. And when those unexpected health hiccups occur, the last thing you want to worry about is the financial burden. Health insurance is like a financial shield, protecting you from the potentially devastating costs of medical care. We often take our ability to work for granted. But what happens when an accident or illness throws a wrench into that routine? What if you're suddenly unable to work and earn an income? That's where disability insurance swoops in to save the day. Think of it as an income replacement plan, providing you with a financial lifeline if you're unable to work due to a covered illness or injury. Whether it's a short-term setback or a long-term situation, disability insurance ensures you can focus on your recovery without the added stress of financial instability. Let's talk about long-term care insurance, a topic that often gets swept under the rug until it's too late. Look, none of us like to think about the possibility of needing help with everyday tasks as we age. But here's the reality. As we get older, our health needs change, and we might require assistance with things like bathing, dressing, or even eating. And that care can get expensive, potentially draining your retirement savings faster than you can say early bird special. Long-term care insurance is designed to cover those costs, providing financial peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. We live in a digital age where our lives are increasingly intertwined with the online world. We bank online, we shop online, we even socialize online. It's all part of the modern human experience. But with this increased connectivity comes increased risk. Data breaches, identity theft, cyberbullying. These are just a few of the digital threats lurking in the shadows of the internet. And that's where cyber insurance comes in, like a digital bodyguard for your online persona. Remember folks, insurance isn't just a boring adulting thing, it's your safety net when life gets unpredictable. Assess your needs, budget, and risk tolerance, and consult with an insurance agent to tailor your coverage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content from Cred Tips. Hope to see you again soon.